London sewers carry both sewage and rainwater, which is why they're called combined sewers. When there is heavy rainfall, the sewers fill up very quickly, and to prevent buildings and streets becoming flooded with dilute storm sewage, overflows, known as combined sewer overflows or CSOs, discharge the excess storm sewage into the tidal River Thames. However, this can affect wildlife by decreasing oxygen levels in the water, and has the potential to pose a health risk to river users, as well as affect the visual appearance of the environment with deposits of sewage-derived litter along the shoreline. On average, 32 million tonnes of storm sewage currently enters the tidal Thames each year. As a leading world city, London cannot continue dumping untreated sewage into the tidal Thames in all but exceptional weather conditions. And the European Urban Wastewater Treatment Directive sets out improved standards for wastewater treatment which the government must comply with. In March 2007, the government announced its decision to support the development of the London Tideway tunnels, to reduce CSO discharges and to improve the quality of the tidal Thames. However, this wasn't an overnight decision, with many years of independent, detailed study leading up to this announcement. Since then, Thames Water has been working hard towards delivering these challenging engineering projects. The London Tideway tunnels are being delivered as two separate projects, the Lee Tunnel and the Thames Tunnel. By acting as huge storage tanks, they will capture millions of litres of storm sewage from the 35 most polluting combined sewer overflows along the tidal River Thames and River Lee. These stored flows will then be transferred by tunnels to the Beckton Sewage Treatment Works, where they will be pumped out and treated. The 32-kilometre, 7-metre wide tunnel known as the Thames Tunnel will run from West London to Beckton in East London. The tunnel needs to be deep enough to avoid London's existing underground infrastructure and will reach depths of up to 75 metres. Start of construction is anticipated in 2012, with completion in 2020. The 6.9-kilometre Lee Tunnel is shorter and less complex than the Thames Tunnel. Construction is therefore due to start earlier in 2009, with completion by 2014. The tunnel will be more than 7 metres in diameter, running from Abbey Mills near Stratford to Beckton Treatment Works at depths of between 55 and 75 metres. As part of the Lee Tunnel scheme, Thames Water are proposing to extend the sewage treatment works at Beckton to increase its treatment capacity so that more of the total flow from the catchment area can be treated, along with the stored flows from the tunnels. This means that the overall flows discharged to the tidal River Thames will be treated to a higher standard. London is a world-leading capital city and deserves a river that reflects that status in the 21st century. With completion of the Lee and Thames tunnels, these massive engineering projects will not only benefit wildlife, but anyone who enjoys the river, and will ensure that the River Thames will continue to be a source of pride for future generations of Londoners.